Global Platform is an organization that regroups all the ecosystem of security to develop specifications and also compliancy program and security certification. My role in Global Platform is to verify that all the groups are developing the right technology, that it's compliant to the objectives that are defined by the board. This is one part of my job. Second part of my job is to be able to represent the organization, because Global Platform is liaising with a lot of organizations, and my role is to verify that we are following the requirement, answering to the requirement of those organizations. So IoT, it's a lot of devices that will be connected in various environments, and they will be connected, they will be able to talk together, and this creates a network of objects connected where, of course, security will be very important. So this talk different area. It's very complex to talk in general about IoT M2M, because this can be a little wearable connected to your phone, to plant management with different sensors, gateways, and management of this infrastructure. Global Platform has been working on connected devices for a while, and the first one that we have been working on is a mobile device. So we have learned a lot about how to provide value-added services, convenient services for the end user, managing the complexity of having these objects that are in the field connected and always connected. This is similar to what the M2M IoT market are discovering. Most of the objects will be connected. Then you have the possibility to attack them, so you need to have more security, but also you have the possibility to update them. And today, look your smartphone, you have new features arriving every 6 months or every 3 months, depending on your smartphone. The market is thinking about the same for the IoT devices. You may have an object will be connected, but you need to bring updates for security, updates for features. And this is where the Global Platform technology apply, how to update remotely in a high level of security an object connected. So the first objective of this group is to explain to IoT market what is the value of the Global Platform technology and how the Global Platform technology apply in this IoT market. And again, the remote administration, providing secure services is definitely one key element that Global Platform may provide to this market. If you need to go a little more in detail, there is different subjects that are very on the top of the discussions in this group. First of all, it's how to deploy the Global Platform technology in the IoT infrastructure. You know that IoT infrastructure is based on server, gateway, and things, and we may provide solutions for the thing, you may provide solutions for the gateway, and also solutions for the servers. Second discussion, it's the wearable, because wearable is an object which is certainly at the frontier between the IoT world and the consumer world. And the last part is that those devices in IoT world needs to be protected, and the secure boot is more and more important in this market, because again, the connectivity brings new attacks. So we are looking about using secure components, or secure element or TEE, to provide the secure services to the device, including secure boot. Wearable is really at the frontier between consumer object and the IoT world. The Bluetooth Low Energy is definitely a key technology for these two worlds. Bluetooth Low Energy can be used to connect to a thing, a sensor inside the facility, but definitely all the objects and the wearable objects that end users are using are connected also with Bluetooth Low Energy. Our intent is really to support objects that are able to be connected with Bluetooth Low Energy. Today, in a secure element, we are supporting USB token, we are supporting smart card, we are supporting embedded secure element. So there is the normal evolution right now to support object with Bluetooth Low Energy as an entry point. And also for the IoT market, Bluetooth Low Energy, it's the technology to connect to sensor. So in both cases, we need to clarify how you will be able to discover that the object connected by Bluetooth Low Energy embed a secure component, a secure element or a TEE, and how to talk to this secure element to get access to the secure services. So this is what we would like to work in the future months and to be able to come back with a good solution to standardize the discovery and the usage of services into things that are connected by Bluetooth. So data protection is definitely an important effort of any government in the world. Each government may have a different policy, but at the end, they all want to protect the data of the end user. By the security services that Global Platform is providing, we are offering good tools for managing better privacy and better security. So the privacy and the security, it's of course used as a requirement in all our new technology. We want to be sure that our technology applies the privacy by design concept, but also we are able to provide additional services for service providers to help them to provide with better privacy in their services. So if you're interested to participate to the work of Global Platform, there is two levels of participation. One level is to participate to the IoT Task Force, as an example, where we are talking about priorities, we are talking about a white paper to explain the technology, but also we are meeting a lot of organizations to verify that we are going in the right direction and answering to the right requirement. So this is one way of collaborating. The second way to collaborate is, of course, to participate to technical committees and to create the technology that this market needs to enforce security, privacy in the IoT world.